Take out the machine and its accessories. Install holders. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it's not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the vacuum and cooling handpiece to the machine. You need to press the fastener with one hand, while using another hand to connect the handpiece to the machine by aligning it with the small holes. When it is connected properly, the fastener will hold it tight. Put the handpieces on the 2 holders. There are 3 holes at the back of the machine, which are used for pouring in water, allowing water to spill out, and empty water respectively. Pour in pure water or distilled water before starting the machine. How to pour in water: connect a narrow tube at the bottom of the funnel to the upper hole of the machine. When the tube is connected properly, the fastener will hold it tight. When there's water coming out from the hole at the middle, the water is enough in the machine. Press the metal fastener at the hole and pull out the tube. Please note, you cannot get the tube disconnected from the hole without pressing the fastener. Connect the power cord to the machine. After all are connected properly, press power switch and then the power button at the front of the machine. When the machine is started, the touch screen will display the way of how to install the filter, and what follows is the interface for setting parameters. Set parameters: time range 0 to 59 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes on each area is recommended. 5 to 10 minutes on each area is suitable for first-time users at the beginning of the treatment. Time can be increased after they adapt. -5 to 5 degrees Celsius is recommended. Starting from 5 degrees Celsius is recommended for first-time users. You can use one handpiece or use both at the same time. Apply the dedicated membrane to the target area before treatment. Use the handpiece on it to avoid frostbite. Press the general start button at the lower left corner and then the start button of corresponding handpiece. There are 2 knobs for adjusting the suction levels of both handpieces. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Adjust it based on individual endurance. Press the power switch to cut the power supply. Clean the inside surface of the handpiece and the suction hole to avoid blockage. How to empty the water in the machine. When you want to empty the water, connect the narrow tube at the bottom of the funnel to the hole at the lower part of the machine. Let the tube naturally hang on the hole and water will come out automatically. When water is emptied from the machine, press the metal fastener at the hole and pull out the tube. Please note, you need to empty the water out of the machine if you keep it idle for a long period of time. Pour water in when you use it. When it has been 2 months since you use it and there is still water in the machine, you need to empty the remaining water and pour unused water in.